Good morning, my dear students. Today I am here to teach you about separation of substances, Chemistry Chapter 5. Before knowing separation, we should know what is to be separated. What can we separate? Can you guess? We can separate the substances if it is mixed. Yes, we can separate the mixture of substances. Mixture means when more than one particles are mixed together, these are mixtures. And these particles of the mixtures are being separated. It is known as separation. This separation method is being accomplished in the following of some methods. Let me explain you what are those. First one is separating solids from other solids, and the second one is separating solids from liquids. So let me explain you first separating solids from other solids. You might have seen more than one solids have been mixed, and we want to separate those. Why should we separate? What is the need of separation? Separation is needed if any unwanted material or any unwanted particle is mixed with any other wanted particles, so that we are separating the substances. So, this separating of solids are being accomplished with the following of some process. These are hand picking, winnowing, threshing, and sieving. Let me explain you one process first. My dear students, imagine that we are going for a picnic and we have reached there, and I am going to cook food for you. For that you have to help me. Yes or no? Yes. So I have given you one work. Okay. The work is, I have given you some rice to one group of students and dal to another group of students. And I told you, please check it out that whether any other unwanted particles have mixed in the rice and dal or not. If it is, then please clean it and give it to me so that I can prepare food for you. What will you do? Just think, what will you do? Yes, you are right. You will pick all the unwanted particles from rice as well as from dal. So how could you do it? You could do it with the help of your hand. You picked all the unwanted particles from rice and dal. And this process only known as hand picking. This is one process by which we are separating unwanted solids from other solids. You might have seen your mothers and elder sisters. They are separating all the unwanted stones and other particles from rice and dals. Yes. So, first process is hand picking. Did you understand? Very good. So, let me explain you the other process. And the second process is threshing. What is threshing? You know, we are harvesting crops. So, have you ever thought, how are we directly getting grains from the stalk of the crop. Have you ever thought it? Let me explain you. We are getting grains or seeds directly from the stalks by the process of threshing. We know that after harvesting, the crops are being prepared as bundles and it is left in the field for few days to be dried. Thus, the stalks are dried in the sun before the grain is separated from them. And then this process is being accomplished with threshing. Let me show you the picture of threshing, how the people are separating grains from the stalks of the crop. Did you understand the process of threshing? Very good. So, the next process is winnowing. We got seeds or grains by the help of threshing, but these threshed grains contain some chaff and other covering and tiny pieces of leaves. We should clean it, yes or no? Yes. So how can we clean these all chaff from grains? We can do it by the help of winnowing. What is winnowing? Winnowing is a method of separating heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind or by blowing air. Let me show you the picture of winnowing. Did you understand? Very good. Have you seen winnowing anywhere? Okay. So, in this method, the maximum of chaff and grains is allowed to fall from a height. Grain being heavier fall vertically down while chaff gets blown away and from a sheaf at a small distances away from the grains. In this way, grains are separated from chaff. Did you understand how we are accomplishing the process of winnowing? Very good. So now, let me tell you what is sieving. Do you know how some unwanted particles are being separated from some heavier particles? Let me show you a picture of sieving. You might have seen the wheat. Yes. Do you like to eat roti, chapati? Yes, I too like. So, before preparing roti or chapati, what our mothers do to clean wheat, whether any unwanted particle is present there or not? So let me show you the picture of sieving. Mothers take all the wheat and separating all the unwanted substances from the wheat with the help of sieving. This method is used when the maximum components of different sizes are present. Sieves are found in different types according to size of the holes in mesh. In sieving, a mixture of solid is sieved. When larger sized particles remain in the sieve and the lighter particles remain at down. A fine sieve is used in the kitchen and other unwanted particles are being thrown. So my dear students, did you understand the different processes by which we are separating unwanted materials or unwanted particles from useful things. So, the different processes are, first one is hand picking, then threshing, then winnowing, and then sieving. Thank you.